Hello there. Today I'm gonna try to do the thrawn tier 7. So last time, if you remember, I actually said I was gonna try it. Maybe I didn't, but I think I did. So I'm gonna try this. I don't think I can win this because my squad is way above average. It's not even 63,000, so I'm most likely gonna lose, but why not give a shot? So I probably gonna one reason I'm gonna lose is Hera's mods are not fully upgraded yet. Chopper lacks mods. Well, basically there are several stuff. If Hera's more complete, that will be around 13,000, and maybe Chopper is like that. So Hera will be probably on Chopper's power, which is good. Kim and Zeb, they're already really weak. So Harrison are gonna be around from somewhere like 63,400. That's still not enough. So they're basically going to go taunting. You can just auto the 3 rounds. It's not necessarily important. This portal gonna take very long. As long as last one did. I'm actually really close if you ask me how easy this is going to be, and I'm not planning to give this event to block because it's really hard, but if we can finish it 2 levels earlier that I plan to, that'll be really amazing, as I'm just gonna add Phoenix there, you know. Okay, we have no reason for an Emperor 7 stars, Trauma 7 stars. Why try more? What is the reason in going for more? There isn't necessarily a reason to try and do more when you can basically do otherwise and deploy your resources. Actually, my plan was to just get 2 gear 9s or maybe 3. So yeah, that's basically the thing. You can just do it. Try to take the dead troopers as early as possible. So I'm not giving to 3 to lock because this is really hard here. Basically use your big guns if possible. Try to kill them. If they're all down like this, you're extremely lucky because you're not gonna get any debuff. It's going to be just anything you need. Here is no debuffs. Oh yeah. Zeb's ability is back. Real good. Yep, Zeb's soul abilities are back. Kanan's abilities back. Yes. Yes. We are full ready. We are gonna face this. This doesn't have the music. I forgot that, so I'll try to edit that, but that mostly won't work, I guess. I saw how you fought with my troopers. You definitely have weaknesses, and your strategy is wrong, weak. This battle will be a turning point. Then your rebellion will foil and end. Okay, we'll see, Trump. Okay, we have a lot of debuffs going up, which is not exactly nice. So focus on the dead troopers first. They're gonna put out really big damage here. So I'm not expecting to win right now. So taunt with Chopper. Then use Zeb here. Try to remain focused here. Give Chopper the prot. Basically keep Chopper alive, you know. That's the big deal. So Chopper needs to gain health. So we do not want that. here. Now Kane's getting attacked. There's not a lot we can do about here. So we're just gonna go along. Kane is dead. Keep attacking. The troopers are ones we want dead. So we're just gonna keep attacking them. So they are gonna gain their health back, but they do not have a lot of health. They are usually based on protection. You want Chopper to miss some of the dead troopers' attacks, which he did. Which is nice. We need that. So they can heal again. So we lost, you know. They shouldn't have re-healthed. Maybe I don't know what to tell that word, but they shouldn't have regained their health here. That kind of ruined it for us. So let's try again. So this time, basically, I'm gonna try to keep Hera alive. Basically, the deal is we need Hera alive, you know. She was just fractured and she died. That's not really the thing we want. I highly doubt we can win. If I am to say, I highly doubt that we can win, and I put my bet that we won't win until we get to level 80. Yep. Oh, this round's taking longer than it took the last time. Are we just having bad RNG? If that was good RNG we lived through, which I guess was actually good. Apart from that heal part, we actually did real good on the RNG side. Probably if this is a normal RNG, we are gonna suck. You know, we're just gonna fail. What I'm searching for is like in the first 3 tries or so, trying to get the best RNG possible. If you don't know what I mean by best RNG, well, basically, their abilities just play wrong on my team. I just get kind of counter attacks to go with. Their abilities are real weak. Just don't get anything on me, you know? Basically, it's just them not having anything on me. I'm just gonna wreck through them and they're gonna die. That's basically the idea. They're no, that's what I meant. Like this is normal RNG, right? We are getting the debuff. So this is the real the real RNG in this. They're not using anything. Here. And sometimes we're just gonna be like trash, and they are gonna, anyways, they're just gonna beat you like very, very easily. Like we're not gonna put a challenge against them. You know, these type of stuff happen. And it's frequently happening. It's gonna continue happening. You know, Thrawn's just gonna go fracture you guys. Everyone's dead. You are dead. Like Zeb is fractured. Like that's always a little better RNG, you know. Zeb is not one of the main guys we're gonna keep alive. Do like that. Okay, Ezra. I'm gonna taunt with him as well. So right after Kanan is gonna get ton of damage, we're gonna switch off the chopper, you know. As long as possible. this is basically like the last round. Okay. There was a pretty bad example of good RNG. Let's just say, okay, maybe we got some good RNG here going on, but we don't. Yeah, it's just like normal RNGs. You're not attacking any of them and they're just wrecking us. So one last try and I'm gonna leave because this is taking so long. Basically, do what you do, man. Do what you do. I'm not gonna go to full auto. Like that will work on the first 5 rounds of this event and probably at the first 6 rounds of the Emperor's Demise event. And probably will work on any tier of the other events. But this, no. Like basically after tier 5 you just gotta play yourself after easy tiers, you know. Tier 4 is deadly, tier 3 is as well. So you know, well basically if that troopers manage to touch you, basically you are gonna go to with half protection. And you have half protection. Thrawn's gonna wreck you, you know. He's just a big guy out here putting the damage. You don't want that, you know. Like, if you have played this game enough, you know that you don't want Tron going out doing getting some big shots at you. So it's not just about this event, you know. In the game, he's kind of a real annoying guy as well. He can just fracture one of your guys, and he basically is the. So in game, what Ron does is he just fractures your guys, and his basic already does pretty good damage, and he he gives 100 Terminator to Vader that he does merciless. You're just dead. No, there's no chance. Like this is what I mean when I say protection down. What is this protection, Zeb? I hope you have an explanation for that real bad protection. Basically, with the Phoenix, the deal is you gotta keep your guys speed up as possible. You know, you wanna be faster than them on each move. Okay, that guys, that you know that. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing it. Okay, okay, I'm just fine. This is fine. You know, basically this is fine. So that cannot cope. That's what you don't want. So you go big damage after you want to call an Ezra. So Zeb is down right now, you know. If you want to ask, like, what to do in this situation, you know, you have nothing to do. Basically, this is probably a normal RNG as well. We not really stand our ground here, if you ask me. Zeb or Hera. I don't know if them is good. I'm gonna go for Hera. house. How I can do this? And just revive your guys. Who do you want to revive? Zeb or Kanan? So we want to have the counter attacks, you know. Revive Kanan. You still like the big shots, you know. The big shots are always fun. Just die. Okay. At least we got rid of one guy. Probably this was our best RNG possible at this rate. Who would call? I'm gonna call for Kanan because he has a protection thingy. Okay, maybe that would really help. Valp? that's not really the best round. Okay, maybe we definitely need like a gear 10 Ezra here, so we try and see. By the way, I shall do this. Oh, I did tier 2. I actually needed those. Kind of sucks that I did the wrong tier. Okay, anyways, bye.